Currently looking at a black screen because I just hit start on a new series I'm going to be doing called Haunted Memories. It is a free indie game on Steam and it's raining. And yeah, so I'm going to shut up before the story starts. I've kind of played through it already, but I got stuck on the car part, which is like right into it because it glitched or something. I don't know. But yeah. This is Haunted Memories, and I hope you guys enjoy. And I'm just gonna talk until the talking comes on. So here we go. Okay, so now we're gonna get right into it. I didn't really explore when I played through it last time because I couldn't really see, but now it's kind of gloomy outside, so I can see like 100 times better. I mean, there's still like a little glare on the TV screen, but it's all good, it's all good. It's Gucci. Oh, Gucci. Okay, there's that car. For some reason, when I played this last time, the car went totally black. So it was really scary. Grab that now. Now what do I do? Is there like a way to get that out? I probably should have waited until I explored a little bit more. This way. I don't know. I think I tried this last time because I needed to check out. Yeah. The car. What? Should inspect the car first. Okay. I didn't inspect it. I don't. Hold on a second. I have to like scoot to the right so I can see. I'm actually really confused right now. Oh, there's a jump scare. Gonna be back. Wait, is there something great? I just saw something. Hold on a second. Oh. Can't see it. See it? Can I pick it up? No? No? Oh my god! I feel like I didn't really anything there. Oh, they're going insane. I think that's how you jump though. Come on. Come on. Come on, beat up. Beat up. Yeah. So bright over here, and then you go over the car and it's black. I don't know if it's just maybe jump a little bit. So I'm thinking a few things. Oh. Oh my god. I know how to get this. When you guys can see, I see it. Something in the car. Like, see how you can do an Aries one, where you like house and stuff. freaking windshield wiper. Oh my god. I'm stupid. I'm so stupid. So yeah, sorry about that. My bad. You guys are probably like yelling at me saying, hey, that's a windshield wiper. Ah.
This is why we have choose to alter Facility 1's objectives from destruction to adaptation. We're not disbanding this facility. We cannot risk losing it. Destruction of the facility is out of the question.
Okay,
The
so we
distance
can
from
finally get
coast to
through now.
Green Park is minor. Perfect for our needs. It shouldn't be too difficult to come up with a convincing story of why the park is closed to the public.
Oh, jeez. Can I go through here now? Ha, finally. Oh, jeez. What is that? Oh, God. Is that like Slenderman? Is it like a Slenderman thing? If he pops up behind me at any point in time, I'm gonna scream. Okay, I think we're good. I'm scared to like turn around and then turn back because I'm scared something's gonna be in front of me. Oh, there's blood. Okay, this is nice. Better turn generator on. Okay, for some reason, this is reminding me of, what do you call it? Slenderman? Because, I mean, you have the notes and you have the creepy, come on, I can't see. There you go. Better turn generator on. Look at that.
All operations have ended in a success. Green Park Power
know why he's
Station
talking.
is ready to receive new visitors. Area is secured and outside disturbance
Why am
is
I
not
looking
a
down?
concern.
Okay. It kind of like made me look down. I'm so scared. Oh my gosh. Hopefully this video isn't too long. I'm trying to put it into parts. It is a series type of thing. And I don't know. Oh god. Is that enough thing? Did I already check that? I don't think I did. Okay, no. That's way up. Oh gosh. Where am I? So we gotta go straight up. Right? Okay, there's the generator. Okay, we'll go this way. We'll go straight up, and then we'll... Yeah, okay. I think I know where I'm going. Jesus Christ, keep looking down. Stop it. Stop it. Stop that. Okay. Keeps like getting stuck looking down. This is actually really scary, kind of in a way. Not as scary as it would be if I was doing it at night. I am doing it during the day because I'm a little limp. Oh god, Jesus Christ, I can't even walk. Go. Is that a path or am I blind? Can't be a path. No. Is that a car? Did I not see that before? What the heck? It was right next to me and I didn't see it. Oh, please don't anything jump out at me. I'm not mentally prepared. I can't get up here. Okay, there we go. Let's see anything. I don't think we can explore that car. Okay, is there like another way? Because I don't know how to get up that way. Okay, go up there. To the left. Oh, wait. No? Okay, come on. There has to be a way. Oh, God. Is it blocked? I think that's what it is. I think it's blocked. So we'll go to the long way and maybe cut through somewhere. Not too sure. Okay. So we can go this way. Oh great, we can go through the Lost Valley and take a cut through. Why are you doing that? Like the mouse is going backwards at some point. It's so weird. Like I'll be trying to look up and it just looks down. Okay. Maybe I can cut through here a bit. Ah, see? Well, I guess you guys can't see my mouse, but you know what I mean. Oh god, that scared me. Oh, like everything that's like generating in, I think it's someone like walking toward me and it's freaking me out. Oh, that's awful. Maybe we should stick with the path because this isn't where I want to go. I don't know where the other path is, to be honest. I think this is a path, is it? I guess so. Don't you do that. Oh, it's doing it! No. No. Stop it, mouse. There you go. Okay. You always have to have some kind of problem in the games. Oh, wait, is this it? I think we found it, guys. Or maybe we just went the complete opposite way. Well, we suck. Okay, so we'll go that way. We'll just keep going this way and see what's down here. Okay. Come on. Oh, God. Okay, there's a building there. Looks safe. Safer than out here. See, I watched a thing in this game. I don't know if maybe it was a different one that maybe I was watching and thought it was this one, because I saw that this one was about like you trying to find your family and all that stuff, but I guess I was completely wrong. Like you go back and everyone's just gone, and I don't think we're home unless we just are bums and live in the woods or something. I don't know. I didn't know. This is path. Wait, what is that? What the heck is that? Oh, those are trees that just aren't generating in. I'm so confused. There has to be a way in here. Is it over here? Okay, something. Maybe. No? This flashlight isn't really working out that well. Anything? No? Huh. Okay then. Wow, I sucked. Wait, what is that? Anyone else see like a box on that tree? A piece of paper? Is that a piece of paper? Oh, Jesus. Okay. Wait, what is that? Can I get that? Okay, cool. Okay, what is this? Go. Pick it up. Pick it up.
The guards have found a small group of local media reporters snooping around. I have ordered them captured and to be prepared for adaptation. Should prove useful. I insist, all unauthorized guests are dealt with the same punishment from now on.
Oh god. That doesn't sound very friendly. Okay, so if we go... Okay, we're looking that way. If we go straight... Did we just turn around and go the other way? Or to change batteries? Oh, okay, that's nifty. Okay. This might actually be a good place to end the video off, so this is going to be part 1 of Haunted Memories. There's something over there. Yeah, okay, we'll explore that building in the next episode. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed so far. I'm sorry it's kind of like dragging on because I suck at the car part. So yeah, if you guys liked the video, make sure to hit that like button. If you like the commentary and just like everything, and you would like to subscribe, make sure you do so. I appreciate every single one of my subscribers. And thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers by Christmas. I really appreciate it. That was my goal, and you guys made it happen. So yeah, this has been Haunted Memories Part 1, and I will see you guys next time.